Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And in today's video, I'm really excited to test out the Vegue VM30 condenser microphone. So Vegue, as you all are already aware of, makes really high quality karaoke equipment. And this Vegue VM30 condenser microphone is not meant to be a karaoke microphone. This is more of a cardioid microphone. It's meant for, let's say, podcasting or gaming and streaming. But I'm really excited to test it out because this is a really budget-friendly microphone. On Amazon right now, it costs anywhere between $30 to $35, which is a great steal. So in today's video, we're going to test out the quality of this microphone, especially compared to some higher quality equipment like the Blue Yeti microphone, and see how well this unit compares. So first of all, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. So this is the box that it comes in, just like this, okay? And just like this, and I'm going to open it up right now. So first thing you see is instruction manual over here. And then look at that. So it comes with a nice little mini tripod to put it in your stand. And it comes with a shock mount over here. And it also comes with a pop filter. So this is really designed to be a all-in-one solution that's simple, easy to use, plug and play. So over here you can see there's a mute button to kind of mute the volume. And over here at the back, let's just take a look at what's over here. So we have your USB port, we have volume control, and we have a headphone jack. So if I were to kind of put it on my table just like this, just like that, it comes just like that, very nice, very stable. Let's see what else comes in the box. So the only other thing that comes in the box is this USB wire, and look at that. So I'm just going to open this up. So this looks like your standard USB-C cable over here on one end, and over here it looks like a double connection. You can either have your regular USB cable that goes to a computer or another USB-C connection, okay? So let's just plug and play. Let's plug this unit into the computer and let's test out the sound quality of this versus a little bit of a more expensive equipment like the Blue Yeti. And let's see the sound difference. Let's see if this budget microphone is a good deal, if it's a good steal. So let's go.
Hi, I'm Ames. I'm back. I'm going to help Ray test out the Vegue VM30 microphone. I'm going to sing a song and we'll hear it. Okay, we'll hear how it sounds. Here we go. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Ra ra Roma ma ga ga oh la la, want your bad romance. Ra ra Roma mama la ga oh la la, want your bad romance. I want your ugly, I want your disease, I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love. Hi, now I'm going to test the same song using the Blue Yeti microphone. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Ra ra Roma ma ga ga oh la la, want your bad romance. Ra ra Roma ma ga ga oh la la, want your bad romance. I want your ugly, I want your disease, I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love. Alright, so overall it's great using this microphone. It's very easy to set up. It's almost like plug and play. And there is no extensive arm required or anything like that. You just place it on your table. and you just talk to it or sing to it. So overall, very good. For the price point, it's a very good product, and I think it'll satisfy your purpose.
Well, there you guys have it. The Vegue VM30 microphone is an outstanding microphone. It's a budget microphone for about $30 to $35, and it packs amazing sound quality. So this is an amazing microphone for, you know, podcasting, for gaming, for singing, for, you know, Microsoft Teams meeting, for Zoom meetings. I really love it. I love how simple it was to set up. I love how it's just, you take it out, you plug it in, and the sound quality is absolutely amazing. You guys heard the sound quality when Amy was singing with this microphone, the Vegue VM30, and also the Blue Yeti. And obviously the sound is very comparable, but keep in mind, this is a $35 microphone. This is a $35 budget microphone. For the amount of price that you're paying to get something like this that is so simple to use, so intuitive, this product is highly recommended by me. I really like it. I think I'll use it for Microsoft Teams meetings, for Zoom meetings, for gaming, for streaming. It's great if I just want to, you know, grab something that's really simple to set up. Again, I love how it's, you know, there's a tripod on it. You know, you have the shock mount, you have the pop filter. It's pretty much, you know, plug and play, good to go. You can just bring it anywhere, and it's just so simple, intuitive, and easy to use. So, hope you guys found this review helpful. We will leave a link in the description below, so make sure you guys check it out, and we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.